Hey boo! Welcome to KarterChanelBeauty. My name is Asia, and here at KCB, I just want to encourage all my girl bosses to build your 7 streams of income and create the life that you dreamed of. And as you guys can tell from the title, we are going to be talking about some things you need to know before you start your YouTube channel. So if you want to hear what I got to say, I'm going to need you to just go ahead, just wait for the little slide, okay? Here we go. Okay, well, you ready? Okay, so let's just get into these 5 tips. So 5 tips that you need to know, like literally need to know before you start your YouTube, or some thoughts that you need to have in your head. Okay, because I know we discussed why, but now we need to discuss like what you need to know. You ready? All right, here we go. Okay, so the first thing that you definitely need to know before you start your YouTube channel is that YouTube is a search engine. It is the second biggest search engine out there, and it's obviously right next to Google. It falls second to Google. So you know what that means? You have to provide value to people. So why am I saying this? Back in the day, YouTube really used to be something where you just post videos and like just hanging out with your friends. Yeah, it's not like that no more. So you have to like provide value, whatever that value may be. Some of the video ideas that you want to do, actually look on there and see like, is this providing some form of value? And if the answer is yes, well then girl, go ahead and do that video, okay? Number 2 is that you have to do your research. You have to be strategic with this YouTube thing, okay? So you need to look up like titles, like what makes a successful channel, like what type of steps do you need to take in order to have a successful channel. Like look up thumbnails, titles, the algorithm, your analytics, stuff of that nature. So therefore you really know like what you're working with. So like, okay, you put a video up, you got a couple videos on your channel, but you don't really know how to read your analytics. It's like, you got to do this research, or you need to make sure that the video idea that you want to do is worth you doing, because I don't know about you, but I ain't trying to waste my time, okay? Because time is of the essence, okay? So no, like you got to do research, in my personal opinion. So let's hit tip number 3. Tip number 3, you are building a community. Like they're not just a number. They're not just a subscriber. Like this, for us, we homegirls, like for real. Like, so when you have your channel, it's kind of like, I know that we see all these videos where it's like, oh, we can be this big YouTuber and we can get paid and all I need is views and all I need is this, la, la, la. Yes, yes, yes. But don't treat the people like they're just a number or just a subscriber, because it's like you're really building a community. No, wait. If you made it this far into the video, I'm going to need you to go ahead in the comment section, because you might as well be homegirls. Put hashtag let's be homegirl, follow with some purple hearts, okay? Okay, because, I mean, you made it this far. You like it what I'm serving. Okay, so, you ready for my next tip? And this is, oh my gosh, this is the biggest one. The biggest one. Finding a niche is very, very important. It's important, okay? And why I say it's important, because like when you have a niche, a genre, a topic, or whatever, a category of videos that you're gonna do, then now people look at you as an expert, or as if like they know what they're going to get from you. What I mean by a niche is like, you can say, hey, I want to do acrylic nails, or I want my channel to be about acrylic nails. And it's like, okay, so, you know, you got to break that down a little bit more. So we're talking about acrylic nails for beginners that are like thinking about going to nail school, in nail school, advanced. Like, what are we talking about? Or if you're like, oh, no, I want to do gel nails, okay? I want to do gel nails for people who want to do gel nails at home, or poly gel. Like, you got to break this stuff down. And when you break it down, just keep doing videos underneath that whatchamacallit. So therefore, like for example, poly gel. Poly gel is like, I'm going to let y'all in on a secret. The nail YouTube industry on YouTube is the most slept on genre niche there is on YouTube that I know of, that actually, like, you can get there, like, especially doing polygel. Polygel, yeah, Macard, Model 1, all them. Baby, let me tell you. Let's get to the last tip. Tip number 5. You have to be dedicated. You have to be. And what I mean by that is, listen, your reasoning on why you want to start a YouTube channel is your reasoning. That's fine. Like, hey, you say I just want to get paid, or I just want to live a financially free life. That's great. I ain't judging you. But what I'm saying is, whatever your reasoning is, you need to be dedicated to that reasoning, because I do feel like you got to figure out the role. Like I said, you got to research. You know, when you're researching, you're going to try certain videos out. You may think that this video is going to pop and it doesn't do nothing, or you may reach out to your following. They may give you certain direction, and then you do it and it doesn't happen, and it's like, okay. Or you may feel like, why am I doing the thumbnail, the title, and all that right? Like, what is going on? You have to be dedicated on figuring out what is not, like, what is wrong, what is going wrong. Because in my personal opinion, the shit ain't just gonna come easy. Like, I really do feel like YouTube is a business, and if your business is failing, you have to figure out why your business is failing. So those are my tips. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you may enjoy my video on why you need to start your YouTube channel, why you need to start it. I'm gonna have it linked in the cards and linked down below. And if you enjoyed this video, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button, baby, and I will see you guys on the next one. Farewell.